Let's start with explanation of spectral distribution on the basis of classical mechanics. To explain the nature of the spectral distribution curves of the black body radiation, classical mechanics using Maxwell's electromagnetic wave theory was applied. According to Maxwell electromagnetic wave theory, the source of radiant energy in the form of electromagnetic waves are the vibrating particles called oscillators, and these oscillators could radiate or absorb any amount of energy. तो ये जो रेडिएंट एनर्जी होती हैं इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स के फॉर्म में, इनके सोर्स जो होते हैं दैट आर वाइब्रेटिंग पार्टिकल्स, और उन्हें क्या कहते हैं, ऑसिलेटर्स कहते हैं। और ये जो ऑसिलेटर्स होते हैं वो किसी भी अमाउंट में एनर्जी को रेडिएट या एब्जॉर्ब कर सकते हैं। The frequency of the energy emitted or the wave emitted is equal to the frequency of the oscillator. Based on these classical concepts, Wien and Lord Rayleigh and Jaynes tried to explain the distribution of black body radiation using the classical concepts of continuous emission of radiation. The Wien's radiation law equation is E lambda is equal to 8 pi Sc upon lambda to the power 5 E minus e to the power minus Sc upon kt into lambda, and Rayleigh-Jeans radiation law equation is E lambda is equal to 8 pi upon lambda to the power 4 into kt, where E lambda is equal to emissive power corresponding to lambda, c is equal to velocity of light, h is equal to Planck's constant, and k is equal to Boltzmann constant, and T is equal to absolute temperature. Wien's equation was able to explain the distribution only at low wavelengths, whereas the Rayleigh-Jeans equation was able to explain the distribution only at high wavelengths. However, neither of the two was able to explain the complete distribution of black body radiation. Our next topic is Planck's radiation law. In 1900, Max Planck put forward an assumption that the oscillator or black body cannot have any amount of energy, but can have only a discrete amount of energy depending upon the frequency of the oscillator. He summed up his result in Planck's radiation law. According to Planck's radiation law, energy is emitted or absorbed not continuously but discontinuously in the form of packets of energy called quanta. तो एनर्जी जो होती है वो continuously रेडिएट या इमिटेड या एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होती है, बल्कि छोटे छोटे पैकेट्स के फॉर्म में होती है, और एनर्जी पैकेट्स को क्या कहते हैं, क्वांटा कहते हैं। The energy of each quantum is given by the relation E is equal to h nu. जो क्वांटम्स होते हैं, क्वांटा होते हैं, उनकी एनर्जी को E is equal to h nu इस रिलेशन से हम लोग निकाल सकते हैं, where nu is the frequency of the radiation और h is Planck constant. The total energy emitted or absorbed is either unit quantum or a whole number multiple of h nu. So the total energy radiated or absorbed will be given by the relation total energy is equal to h nu n into h nu, where n is equal to 1 2 3 and so on. इनमें से कुछ भी हो सकता है। Based upon these concepts, Planck deduced expression for the energy E lambda radiated by a black body at wavelength lambda, which is E lambda is equal to 8 pi hc upon lambda to the power 5 into 1 upon e to the power sc by kt into lambda minus 1. This expression is called Planck's radiation law. it can be seen that both Wien's law as well as Rayleigh-Jeans law are simply particular cases of Planck's radiation law. If lambda t is small, this implies that e to the power sc upon kt into lambda is more greater than 1, so that 1 in the denominator in the above equation can be neglected. This gives E lambda is equal to 8 pi hc upon lambda to the power 5 e to the power minus hc upon kt into lambda, which is Wien's law. Now, if lambda t is large, this implies that e to the power hc upon kt lambda may be expanded by the exponential theorem. So this is equal to 1 plus hc upon kt into lambda plus so on, so that Planck radiation law equation reduces to the form E lambda is equal to 8 pi hc upon lambda to the power 5 into k t lambda upon hc is equal to 8 pi upon lambda to the power 4 into k t, which is Rayleigh-Jeans law. So from here we can see that Wien's law and Rayleigh-Jeans law are two extreme cases of Planck's radiation law.